little road there. And that is another tidal ford. And what we'll do now is we'll blast back down towards the Kingsbridge Estuary. Really tough on the headwind today, guys. Headwind and drizzle, and just to make it worse, I'm carrying a staggering amount of equipment, which obviously just slowing the whole process up, really. Not much I can do, and we just try and push through. It's never going to be easy. The problem is with the drizzle, actually everything will get soaked. An incredible little house here. Been a lot of battle down through there against the headwind. We are nudging our way back towards the Kingsbridge Estuary. You may just see it ahead. I think there is, just in the bank here, there's a cut through into a little tiny sheltered harbour, and hopefully there'll be enough depth for us to go in through and have a look. Not sure how big this place actually is. Enter at own risk. Could be a good place to put some air into the boat. There we are, tiny sheltered harbour. Could get tricky as we come back to main estuary, so it's a good place to have some emergency air. Actually drifting back out as I pump. Sure where Sammy is at the moment. Really can't see him. He must be here. Must be here somewhere. I just don't know where. Onwards we go. At least the drizzle has now eased off. Coming up to Scoble Point, where we'll then hit the Kingsbridge Estuary. So Scoble Point should be just around this corner, very, very close. And thank God the headwind has eased off now, thankfully. It could get bad again though. Coming to Scoble Point. It's the Kingsbridge direction where we would need to go. Unfortunately, we will be going against the tidal flow here. Hopefully it's not too strong. There's Southpool. It's probably the last we will see of there now. Directly up towards Kingsbridge here. There's a lot more creeks up here. There's an incredible amount of inlets along this estuary. Hopefully we'll be looking at most of them, if not all. Here's the target, is to go into every single one, and if possible right to the high tide mark. Obviously going to take a long time. What we could do with here is a tide which is incoming, not outgoing. And we will battle against the tide. Quite a narrow gap between there and there, so the tidal drag is probably at its very worst here. If we get down into this little corner here, it should be a lot more manageable. The Tosnos point will be somewhere there, and that's the point to head to. Incredible amount of boats moored all down through here. Quite long strips of mooring here now. Very long lines of boats attached to a pontoon. See the line there. That is the pontoon line just to the side. So there's two more. Must be the double mooring here now. You can see there's a floating pontoon. There's one here and one there. Just there now, coming up to Tosnos Point. I will bank this once I find somewhere to bank, then that will be it, and I'll try and get it next time when the tidal flow is in my favour rather than against me. This is Cove pontoons. I guess that is Cove. Actually looks like an old lifeboat. So it's been taken out of service. a lot of boats, but surprisingly not many people around. And maybe people only use these on a weekend. Is this Tosnos Point? I guess it could be. I would expect it to maybe be here. It's going to get random boat wash here. It does put you off the sequence of rowing sometimes. It's a path up through the hedge. It definitely looks as though there is a path there. Yeah, I think this will be the place. And we'll bank this up. And let's see if we can find Sammy. Yeah, we can use that there. You just see another channel. There's another channel goes off in that direction there. There's another huge network goes out through there as well. There's a lot to do. The hands are blackened as usual. Let's see if we can find Sammy now. Do you not see him? He must be on this bag somewhere. There he is, right there. We'll get him some grass if we can, get him in a grassy little glade.